For the first 200 years, our ancestors didn't marry the local Sicilians. And then, I think probably because of several issues, they did allow it, and they allowed Sicilians to move into the village. Because we founded our own village, we didn't settle in another village. So there are other villages in Sicily which have lost the language because they were arberesh people that integrated or moved into a Sicilian-speaking village. Ours is not that case. The majority of the village is Byzantine, what we call Byzantine Catholic, which is not Roman Catholic. So we were originally Orthodox Christians, but when our ancestors arrived in what was the Kingdom of Naples, they had to accept the Pope, otherwise they wouldn't be allowed to settle. But they were allowed to keep the rite of the Byzantine Church. And actually the priests, regardless of what anyone thinks of religion, like the situation of religion has changed over the generations, but the priests undeniably kept the language alive because it was used in the liturgy, and there were the Bible translations and things like this.